Choosing the best vlogging action camera can be a game changer for content creators. A great camera ensures that every shot is clear, every moment is captured with precision, and your content stands out from the rest. With technology constantly improving, it's crucial to find a camera that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best action cameras for vlogging of this year. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and best deals. So let's get started. Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Starting off our list is the GoPro Hero 12 Black. This camera is known for its durability and outstanding video quality, making it a favorite among vloggers. The Hero 12 Black captures 5.3K video, which means your videos will be incredibly detailed and sharp. It's perfect for those who want to capture every little detail of their adventures, from the vibrant colors of a sunset to the intricate patterns of a cityscape. The stabilization technology in this camera is top-notch, ensuring that even when you're on the move, your footage remains smooth and professional. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is its waterproof capability. You can take this camera up to 33 feet underwater without housing, which is perfect for underwater vlogging or any kind of water-related activity. Its rugged build means it can withstand drops, bumps, and other harsh conditions, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. Compared to other cameras on this list, the Hero 12 Black excels in extreme conditions. However, the Hero 12 Black isn't without its drawbacks. The battery life, while decent, could be better. For extended shooting sessions, you might need to carry extra batteries or a power bank. Additionally, the interface can be a bit tricky to navigate for beginners. But once you get the hang of it, the Hero 12 Black proves to be an invaluable tool in your vlogging arsenal. When comparing it to other cameras on this list, its ruggedness and video quality stand out, but it falls a bit short in user-friendliness and battery life. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 3. Next, we have the DJI Osmo Action 3. DJI is renowned for its drone technology, but they've also made a significant impact in the action camera market. The Osmo Action 3 is an excellent example of their innovation. This camera features dual screens, which is perfect for vloggers who need to see themselves while recording. The front screen is especially useful for framing shots and ensuring you're always in focus. The video quality is superb, offering 4K resolution with HDR support, making your footage vibrant and dynamic. The Osmo Action 3's rock-steady stabilization technology is a game-changer. It reduces camera shake and ensures smooth footage, even in the most challenging conditions. Whether you're running, biking, or just walking around, this camera keeps your shots steady. In comparison to the Hero 12 Black, the Osmo Action 3's stabilization is slightly more advanced, giving it an edge in fast-paced environments. Another great feature is its quick switch button, which allows you to switch between modes quickly and efficiently. On the downside, the Osmo Action 3 is not as rugged as the Hero 12 Black. While it's still durable and waterproof up to 36 feet, it doesn't have the same level of toughness. The battery life is commendable, lasting longer than the Hero 12 Black, but it's still advisable to have extra batteries on hand for extended shoots. The user interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it a better option for beginners compared to the Hero 12 Black. When comparing the two, the Osmo Action 3 offers better ease of use and stabilization, but it doesn't match the Hero 12 Black in terms of ruggedness. Number 3. Sony RX02. The Sony RX02 is a powerhouse packed in a tiny frame. This ultra-compact camera offers incredible video quality, thanks to its 1.0 type stacked XMOR RSCMOS sensor. It captures stunning 4K video with excellent low-light performance, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor vlogging. The RX02's compact size doesn't compromise its build quality. It's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, ensuring it can handle various environments and conditions. One of the standout features of the RX02 is its versatility. The camera's flip-up screen is perfect for vlogging, allowing you to see yourself while recording. Its advanced image stabilization ensures your footage remains smooth, even when you're on the move. The RX02 also has an impressive audio quality, thanks to its built-in microphone and the option to attach an external mic. This makes it an excellent choice for vloggers who prioritize sound quality alongside video quality. However, the RX02 has its limitations. Its small size means it has a smaller battery, resulting in shorter battery life compared to the Hero 12 Black and Osmo Action 3. This can be a drawback for extended shooting sessions, so carrying extra batteries is essential. Additionally, the menu system can be complex and overwhelming for beginners. Despite these drawbacks, the RX02's video quality, compact size, and versatility make it a strong contender on this list. When compared to the previous cameras, the RX02 stands out for its video and audio quality, but falls short in battery life and user interface. Number 2. Insta360 One X2. In the second spot, we have the Insta360 One X2, a unique camera that brings a different approach to vlogging. The One X2 offers 360-degree video capture, allowing you to create immersive and interactive videos. This feature is perfect for vloggers who want to give their audience a more engaging experience. The video quality is excellent, capturing 5.7K resolution, ensuring your footage is clear and detailed. The One X2's flow state stabilization is one of the best in the market, providing incredibly smooth footage even in the most challenging conditions. This camera is also waterproof up to 33 feet, making it suitable for underwater vlogging. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and the intuitive touchscreen interface is user-friendly, allowing for easy navigation and control. One of the main advantages of the One X2 is its editing capabilities. The Insta360 app provides powerful editing tools, allowing you to create dynamic and engaging videos with ease. You can reframe your shots, add effects, and even create time-lapse videos, all within the app. However, the One X2's 360-degree video capture can be a bit gimmicky for some users, and it might not be necessary for all vloggers. Additionally, the battery life is decent, but not the best, so having extra batteries is recommended. When compared to the other cameras on this list, the One X2 stands out for its unique 360-degree video capture and excellent stabilization. However, it might not be the best choice for vloggers who prefer traditional video formats. Its editing capabilities and user-friendly interface make it a great option for those who want to experiment with their content and create more interactive videos. Number 1. Canon PowerShot G7X III. Topping our list is the Canon PowerShot G7X III, a camera that's become a favorite among vloggers for its exceptional video quality and versatile features. The G7X III offers 4K video capture, ensuring your footage is crisp and detailed. Its 1.0-inch sensor provides excellent low-light performance, making it ideal for vlogging in various lighting conditions. The flip-up touchscreen is perfect for framing shots and ensuring you're always in focus. One of the standout features of the G7X III is its live streaming capability. You can stream directly to YouTube, making it a great choice for vloggers who want to engage with their audience in real time. The camera also has a microphone input, allowing you to enhance your audio quality with an external mic. This feature is particularly useful for vloggers who prioritize sound quality alongside video quality. The G7X III's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and its intuitive interface is user-friendly, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced vloggers. The camera's battery life is decent, but as with the other cameras, carrying extra batteries is advisable for extended shoots. When compared to the other cameras on this list, the G7X III offers a great balance of video quality, portability, and versatility, making it a top choice for vloggers. There you have it, our top 5 best vlogging action cameras for 2024. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments which vlogging camera you think is the best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.